time dependent data. Sometimes our data is dependent upon time. So if I give you an example, say we have an entity class, for example, this one, and its name is president, and now this attribute is president name. Now I want to ask you, if there is a country, then there can be a president, and president cannot exist without being member of, or without having a record of country. If we have no country, there will be no president. Is it true?
Yes,
So,
sir.
in fact,
Yes,
this is
sir.
a weak entity class. That means it will take the primary key of the strong entity class. And what do you think? What can be the primary key of other class, the strong entity class, that is country? What can be the primary key? If I have
Sir, country name.
Country name I was
राइट अब एक बात याद रखना, मैंने उस दिन भी, बल्कि आपके साथ शायद नहीं हो सकी, मैंने एक बात कही थी कि कंट्री हमेशा, कंट्री की जब भी कोई आप एंटिटी क्लास लेते हैं, यू ऑलवेज ट्राई टू कीप इट्स आईडी, country ID, country name. Getting me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I always tell you that whenever there is an entity class, try to keep the primary key some numeric value. We always try to do that because it is easier to manage the number and to process the number. It is efficient. So we always try to keep these things instead of full names, name of countries. We just keep the country ID, the other entity class. If we have a class over here, that is the strong entity class, its primary key would be CID. So as president is weak entity class, so we are bringing the primary key of strong entity class to this one. Getting this or not?
सर ये सी आईडी की जगह पे सी कोड नहीं होगा?
सी
कंट्री का
कोड
कोड होता है सर।
कुछ भी लिख लो, तुम इसमें चाहते हो कि जनाब कंट्री कोड है, you can keep it like country code, but it would be some number, right?
ठीक है सर।
Now check. Do not draw anything, okay? Now check. If I say that this is the country code or country ID, and this is the president, like Naqvi Saab, Arif Alvi Saab. Arif Alvi Saab is president of Pakistan. Country ID 1. President name is Arif Alvi. But I want to ask you, I want to keep the names of all the presidents of Pakistan. You will say that, sir, you're asking something like there was some president in 2013 and he was, for example, Mr. Mamnoon Hussain. I will say yes, I want to keep his data as well. Then you will tell me, sir, there in 2018 there was another president, Mr. Arif Alvi. I will say yes, I want to keep data of all the presidents of every country. All presidents of Pakistan, country code 1. All presidents of Afghanistan, country 2. All presidents of Saudi Arabia, country 3. So I want to keep all these. Now check. This data, the president depends upon what?
Country, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Look, country has many presidents, but in fact, this president, Mamnoon Hussain Saab, depends upon the date 2013. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir।
Or Mr. Arif Alvi, in fact, has the time starting 2018. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir।
अब एक बात पे गौर करो. Look at this. That means, in fact, this data, president name depends upon. बेटा mic off कीजिएगा एक second के लिए please. Now check. This data, that is the president name, depends upon the time. Time does not mean time. Time means date and time. So, Mr. Mamnoon was president in 2013. Mr. Alvi got elected as president in 2018. So that means this data is dependent upon time. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
if we have any data that has some connection, that has some association with the time, that data depends upon the time, and user is asking, no, I don't want to keep the name of current president. I want to keep the name of all the presidents since 1947. उसमें गवर्नर जनरल होते थे, लेकिन whenever it started like the president, so I want to keep all the names of all the presidents of every country. So what will I do? I'll keep this P name along with another attribute. I will add another attribute by myself. I will do it by myself, and I'll say that this is year of appointment. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now check. If I say that 1, Pakistan is ID 1, Pakistan is 1, and now check. If I say that country ID is the primary key, can CID be primary key?
No, sir.
Why not?
Sir,
Because one ID had multiple presidents.
नहीं है.
Right, because sir, this is duplicate, and this cannot. If I say, give me the name of president of country 1, you will say, sir, I cannot give you. There are so many, so it cannot be the primary key CID. So what should I do? Should I combine it and make a composite key by making CID with the president name? There is 2013 and Mr. Mamnoon Hussain, 2018, Mr. Arif Ali. Should I do that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. Never. I told you, in database, we go for every possible case that can appear. For example, country 1 in 2018 has Mr. Arif. Maybe the same country 1 in 2035, another Mr. Arif, some other Arif. So will it not duplicate in that case? 1 and Arif, 1 and Arif, 1 and Arif. Can it be or it cannot be? Possibility है या नहीं?
It could be, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, possible तो है, हो सकता है. So now what will we do? We always combine this feature of this weak baby, year of birth, year of appointment, sorry. So I'll say that now the primary key would be country ID and year of appointment. So now if I consider like this, sorry, if I consider like this, then this pair cannot going to repeat. It will not repeat. I don't know if two presidents appear in the same year. It is possible. It is possible in our case, but otherwise it must not appear, right? So this attribute that I have added, this one, in fact, this one is known as timestamp. What do we call it? What do we call this particular attribute that I have added? What do we call this one?
Timestamp.
Timestamp. An attribute that contains date or time or both. सिर्फ अभी idea लो, do not write anything. I'll dictate you even. So this one is known as timestamp. So we call it timestamp. So now I can understand if we have data that is associated, that has some link with the date or time, then we make or we add another attribute that keeps the date, that keeps the time, that keeps date and time both, is known as timestamp. So timestamp is some attribute that keeps date and time. Getting me or not? सबसे पहले तो ये बता दो यार.
सर
Yes,
समझ
sir.
आ रही है।
कोई एक बच्चा जिसको समझ में ना आई हो, सीरियसली सीरियसली. You
सर
want
हम
me?
टाइम स्टैम्प को ऐड क्यों करते हैं सर, एक दफा बताइएगा जरा।
देखो बेटा, the reason is, if I only keep the CID as the primary key, then it would be 1 Mr. Mamnoon, 1 Mr. Arif, 1 Mr. XYZ. So this one is going to repeat. Primary key does not repeat. So we have to make a composite key. If I try to make it, for example, 1 and the president name, then I said there is a possibility that 1 and Mr. Arif is president today, and maybe after 50 years there is another Arif Alvi, some other person. He will when appear, then it will again 1 and Mr. Arif Alvi. So this pair will again repeat. For example, let me write down 1 dash this 2018 2055, for example. And now this is Mr. Arif Alvi, for example. So now check this, 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 and this are repeating. Yes or no? Oh.
यस सर रिपीटिंग।
So these two cannot be primary key. I can never say that this is the primary key. So what I said then, I added this timestamp. Let me go to the next page. ताकि पूरा नजर आए. That is why I said that I cannot keep this key name and this one like primary key. CID and name cannot be primary key because these can repeat. So what will I do? I will add another attribute because this thing, the president appointment, is time dependent. So I will keep a time data, time related attribute that is timestamp, that keeps the time, that keeps the date. So it will help me to make a composite primary key. First of all, let me know, are you getting this or not?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
अब
Yes, sir.
सबको क्लियर है, सबको क्लियर है अब ये नहीं? अब एक चीज लिख लो, एक लाइन, राइट डाउन वन लाइन फॉर दिस.
तो ये डेटा भी लिख लें।
मॉडलिंग टाइम डिपेंडेंट डेटा लिखो, फिर बनाने का टाइम देता हूँ. अभी सिर्फ रुक जाओ, पहले सिर्फ लिखो, जस्ट राइट डाउन द डेफिनेशन, देन यू कैन राइट डाउन एंड ड्रॉ ऑल दिस. तो राइट डाउन
लिखवाएं सर जी।
sometime data is dependent upon date or time. Data is dependent upon date or time or both. In that case, in order to model such data, in that case, in order to model that data, we add another attribute that keeps date or time
Sir, that
Or-
keeps date in time.
that keeps date or time or both. That attribute is known as timestamp. अब एक काम कीजिए मेरा बेटा, नाउ ड्रॉ दिस फर्स्ट, पहले आया ये पहले लिख लो बल्कि समझ में आ जाए. व्हाई नॉट दिस, ओनली दिस इज द प्राइमरी की सर, बिकॉज in fact one is repeating, country code is repeating, so we need to combine another attribute with it so that we may have a composite primary key जो हमने कल पढ़ी थी, याद है ना? Otherwise
जी
if we
सर।
combine country ID or country code with the president name, it can repeat somewhere in future or maybe in the past as well. ठीक है,
सर ये लिखें?
अब आपने नहीं, अब आपने सिर्फ ये लिखना है, ये डेटा लिख लो और ये बना लो ताकि आपको समझ में आ जाए कि कैसे इसको हम इसको मॉडल करते हैं. वी मेक अ कॉम्पोजिट प्राइमरी की, सो डू